Today we're going to tackle a common issue many Telegram users face. The dreaded "this group can't be displayed" error on Android. Let's dive right in. So you're trying to join a group on Telegram but keep seeing this frustrating message: "this group can't be displayed." What does it mean and why does it happen? Let's break it down. This error typically occurs due to content restrictions set by Telegram, which can be related to explicit content or regional restrictions. But don't worry, there are ways to fix it. First, let's try changing some settings within Telegram itself. Open your Telegram app and follow these steps. Tap on three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. Then go to Settings and select Privacy and Security. Scroll down to Sensitive Content. Toggle the switch to double filtering. By disabling content filtering, you might be able to access the group. However, keep in mind this will also show you other sensitive content. If changing the settings didn't work, another effective method is using a VPN. Some groups are restricted based on your geographic location. Here's how to do it. Go to Google Play Store and search for VPN. And simply download one of the VPN and open the VPN app and connect to a server in different country. Once connected, open Telegram and try accessing the group again. Using a VPN can often bypass regional restrictions and allow you to join the group. And there you have it, three effective methods to fix the "this group can't be displayed" error on Telegram for Android. To recap, change Telegram's settings to disable content filtering, use a VPN to change your location. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and share with others who might be facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.